guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to tackle our fridge. This is something that I've confessed in other videos that I don't clean out often. With 3 kids that are always in and out of the fridge, it is very difficult to keep it tidy. It's very difficult to keep it organized. So that's one thing that I try not to fight. But I do try to tidy it up as often as I can in regards to when I go grocery shopping, but doing a deep clean, I don't do. So today I'm doing a tidy wipe down. I'm not taking any of the drawers out because there wasn't any massive spills or anything like that. There was just a few crumbs from having things in the fridge and so on. So I wanted to clean this out, throw away some old food, throw away food that was just sitting, and kind of just wipe it all out. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. I hope this motivates you to tackling your fridge and freezer. So let's just go ahead and get started.
It's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over, and let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Boogie down. Come on. Blow that. That's right. Through our hands. Now what's the vibe? Is it party time? Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling the vibe. We are so lit. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Feeling so fly, wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. I can't get enough now. Let me come real close, baby, strike a pose. Ooh, all eyes on you. Make room on.
Now we're moving on to the door, and again, this is just me wiping down things. I have yet to really find the right method or trick to keep my keep the shelves clean. There's a lot of crumbs that fall back there. I don't really have a lot of spills as I used to. I think maybe in time my kids have learned to tightening up the caps to some of these bottles. I think that had a lot to do with me yelling at them all the time. But I needed to wipe down the shelves. Again, this is not a deep clean. This is just a simple wipe down. I do more wipe downs than I do deep cleans because it's such a task to take everything out. But I know that it's worth it at the end. But I needed something to just, when I opened up the fridge this morning, I had to do it. So this is the time that I had. So I'm like, let's just go ahead and wipe this down and get it all cleaned out. So After the door, I went ahead and tackled the freezer.
Make room on the dance floor now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? So get up on your feet, get up on your feet, and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet, and get on down, and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. Get up on your feet, get on down, and get on down. Real low, low, real low, real low. Yeah, jump to the right. On your feet, and get on down. Real low, 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 low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. All night, yeah, all night. Real low, low. All night. Real low, low. So get up on your feet and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. All night.
That may look like we have nothing in our freezer. This is actually just what I typically keep in this freezer, unless it's just like meal preps for things for the week. But we do have a deep freezer that we keep completely filled out in the garage. If you've watched our garage cleanouts, then you've seen it. But I just wanted to jump on and tell you guys that really quick, in addition to thanking you again for watching. I love the support that you guys are giving me. Let's communicate in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love and God bless.